Welcome to my channel. I am Aparna, and in this video I will discuss about how to create an account on GitHub. Okay. So if you are not aware about GitHub, you can check out my previous video on the basics of GitHub and the difference between Git and GitHub. Okay. So to create an account on GitHub, you need to click on sign up. Then you have to enter your email, and after entering your email you have to click on continue and then create a password and click on continue. You have to then enter a username. Username is the name for your GitHub account. Okay, so it should be unique. After entering the username, you have to click on continue, and then it will ask you, would you like to receive product updates and announcements via email? So if you want that GitHub should send you emails, then you can type y for yes or n for no. Okay, so I am keeping it yes and then continue. Then you have to solve the puzzle to verify that you are human. Okay, so for that you have to click on start puzzle and then pick the spiral galaxy. That means you have to pick the picture that resembles a spiral galaxy. So this one. Okay, and now you have to click on create account. After you click on create account, it will send a launch code to the Gmail, to the mail ID that you have entered. Okay, so you have to check that mail and enter the code. As you can see here that I have got the mail from GitHub and here is the code. So copy this code and paste it here. Okay, so now it's asking how many team members will be working with you. Are you a student or a teacher? Okay, if you want to uh, enter, you can enter, or otherwise you can also skip that using skip personalization. So now you can see here that GitHub has been launched for you. Okay, so you have created your account on GitHub and you are now signed in here. Okay, with your GitHub account. So that was all about how to create an account on GitHub. Thank you. Bye bye.